In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Payoneer app. We'll be doing this from a Windows or Mac computer using a modern web browser. What we're actually installing is the official web app version, which runs like a standalone program on your desktop. It opens in its own window, has an icon you can keep handy, and keeps you just a click away from your Payoneer tools without extra browser clutter. Start by opening your preferred browser on your PC. A Chromium-based browser such as Chrome or the newest Microsoft Edge works best because it supports installing websites as apps. With the browser open, head to the official Payoneer website by typing its address into the address bar and pressing Enter. Give the page a moment to load completely. This helps the browser recognize it as installable and ensures you're on the latest version. Next, look to the very top right corner of your browser window for the three-dot menu. It's the icon that opens your browser's main menu and settings. Click it once to reveal the drop-down. Inside this menu, move your mouse to the section where items like Cast, Save, and Share appear. Don't click yet. Just hover over that group so the related options expand. You should see an option labeled Install as App. This is the command that turns the current website into a desktop app shortcut with its own windowed experience. Click Install as App. A small confirmation box will pop up, describing that an app will be created from this site. Go ahead and click Install to confirm. No extra downloads are required. The browser handles everything in the background, and you won't be asked for any sensitive information. Now wait a few moments for the installation to finish. You'll usually see the new app open automatically in a clean window without the usual browser tabs or address bar. At the same time, your operating system adds a shortcut to your app list and, in many cases, to your desktop or start menu, so it's easy to launch later. The app stays current because it uses the website directly, so you get updates automatically when Payoneer updates its site. If you don't see Install as App in the menu, make sure your browser is up to date. Sometimes the label may appear as Install Payoneer or something very similar, depending on the browser version. That's it. You've successfully installed the Payoneer app experience on your computer.